Hi. Are you 5 months? Yeah. Are you 5 months old?
What?
I'm not talking to you. What you eating, Bear? Bear, what are you eating? Ben, what are you eating?
Chocolate milk.
No, it's ice cream sandwich. What's your brother eating?
Cereal.
Baby cereal.
No
You
cookie.
think he likes it? Yeah. He likes to hold his own bottle, Bear. Look. So cute. Tubby. Here, stop chewing on that. Here, eat this. Eat your cereal.
Not eat you.
Oh my god.
I don't have hands.
Here you go. Ben, no. Don't put that on your feet. He puts that in his mouth. Come here and finish your ice cream. Can you stop, Ben? Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Here, Tubby. Here, let me help you. Tubby! Wait, Mommy let him give him water. Here, Tubby. Oh, jeez. Bear!